This bird can fly without making a single sound. Welcome to Creature Story Hub, nature's hidden secrets. Owls have specially designed feathers that break up air turbulence. This allows them to fly silently while hunting. Their hearing is so precise, they can locate prey under snow. Their facial discs act like radar dishes for sound. Silent flight gives them a deadly advantage in the wild. Follow for more amazing bird facts and wildlife adaptations.